Welcome back, little chess champs. So, how Rook captures? So, capturing is a powerful chess tool, and understanding it will help you gain an advantage. Let's learn how Rook capture and protect their teammates on the board. Did you know capturing in chess is optional, but taking opponent piece can make their team weaker and bring you closer to winning. When your rook lands on a square with an opponent piece, it captures that piece and the captured piece is immediately removed from the board. Let's look at some examples. So now the rook target multiple pieces. See this example. White rook is ready to attack. It's targeting 4 black pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So bishop on e8 or e1, knight on c4, pawn on h4. If it is white turn, rook can capture any one of these pieces. Now, rook capture the knight. So, the white rook moves to c4 and capture the black knight. So, black knight is removed from the board, leaving the rook in a stronger position. Now, see this position. The black rook cannot attack white bishop on b4 because a black pawn is blocking its path. Remember, rook cannot jump over any pieces, whether they are own or opponent. If the black pawn move or it captured, the rook can target the white bishop on b4. So if it is move, then it can able to capture when black turns it comes. So what can rook capture? So now black rook has choices. It can capture the bishop on d5, the rook on e2, but it cannot capture the one pawn, bishop on b4 and the knight. If a piece can move to a square where one of its already stands, it's protecting or defending the piece. Why does this matters? If opponent capture the piece, the defender can capture them back. It's teamwork in action. It is defending the bishop. When rook capture the bishop, then immediately white rook can capture the black rook. So always remember, protecting and defending the piece needs some support of. It means, so black would lose a rook and white would lose a bishop. Think ahead, and planning your move is key to success. Happy learning.